children. Now we are going to learn maths. In maths, 3 weeks we are learning about numbers up to 200. In numbers up to 200, we are studied greater number, smaller number, descending number, ascending number, and the 3-digit numbers 100 to 200 numbers, writing, missing numbers, everything we have learned in the previous class. Today, I'm going to teach you the numbers, even numbers and odd numbers. Even numbers and odd numbers. Even numbers. Now, one boy wants to go out. Okay, his name is Ankit. While you want to go out, the outside it was too cold. Outside it was too cold. So, his father is telling, wear a clothes and go. When he was searching for a clothes, he got only one clothes. And he was asking, Papa, I'm not having one more clothes. Then Papa is saying, here is another one. Now you have a pairs of clothes. First he had only one. Then Papa gave one more. Now he got a pairs of clothes. The object that are twos. That object that are twos, it is a pair. It is a pairs. P-A-I-R-S. Pairs. Understand, students? That is called a even number. The number which is in a pair. It's a even number. The number which stands alone. It's a odd number. Now we'll see some of the examples and I will explain the even numbers and the odd numbers. Children, I explained about the even numbers and the odd numbers. Now by matching this one, I'll tell you how to find out the even numbers and the odd numbers. See here some of the colorful socks are here. Socks. Here is a green, purple, red, yellow. Okay. What they are asking us to do? Match the socks. Match the socks. Now we are going to match the socks. What color is this? Green. So in down, where's the green color socks? Here. Okay. We are going to match this. This one is in page number 17. In Max book, page number 17. Next, what color socks? Purple. So match the purple color socks. What color socks is here? Red. So match the socks to the red socks. What color socks is here? Yellow. Match the socks to yellow. So in green it has a pairs. And purple it has pair. And red it has pair. Yellow it has pair. But see here, one socks alone it's standing. It has no pair. Okay. The pairs ones are the even numbers. And standing alone, it's a odd number. Now the question. How many pairs of socks could you find? How many pairs of socks could you find? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many? 4 pairs of socks are here. And only one socks is with the odd number. Okay, 4 pairs of socks. With the pairs, only the even number. Now children, we saw the socks and we paired the socks. How many? 4 socks we paired. Now one more example in page number 17. Here see, color the leaves to show the given number in each set. Each set. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 are there. 10 sets are here. 10 sets are here. In this, we have first one, see, first set, number 1 is given. How many leaves are colored there? 1 leaf. And next to what number is given? Number 2. And how many leaves are colored? 2 leaves. Next you see what number is here? 3. So how many leaves you have to color? 3 leaves. Take your crayons and color the 3 leaves. Can you see clearly? Okay. Now we have colored the 3 leaves. And here what number? 4. Coloring the 4 leaves. How many leaves you are going to color here? 4. Here what number? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 leaves we colored. Okay. And here number 6. So how many leaves you have to color? 6 leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here what number? 7. So how many? 7 leaves you have to color here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Here 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Can you see it clearly? Yes. Okay. Here what number? 9. So we have to color 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here 10. So 10 means here as 10 leaves. So all the leaves we are going to color it. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Can you see clearly? Clearly you can see. Here see. Number 1. It stands alone or it stands with pairs? Alone. Number 2. It stands alone or with the pairs? Pairs. Number 3. Here 1 pairs of leaves and 1 number is standing alone. Here 4. 2 pairs of leaves standing. Here 2 pairs of leaves and 1 stands alone. And here see 1, 2, 3. 3 pairs. In 6, 3 pairs are there. In 7, 1, 2, 3 are in pairs and 1 stands alone. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 are standing in pairs. No one is standing alone. Here see 4 pairs and 1 is standing alone. Here all are in pairs. No standing alone. Keeping this, we are going to fill these boxes. Here see, all the color leaves are in the pairs. All the color leaves are in the pairs. Which are the color leaves in the pairs? 2. Okay, which are the colors in the pairs? 2, 2. And next 4. Next, here stands here in pairs 6. And here 7 stands alone, so it will not come. And all in pairs 8. And here 9 stands alone. No, this one is standing alone, so not in pairs. This one all are in pairs. Okay. Now all the color leaves are in pairs are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Understand children? This is called the even number. What number? Even number. The next one we'll see. Here see. Number 1 stands alone. 1. And here 1 page and 1 leaf is standing alone. Which number is this? 3. And 4 is even number, and here standing alone, you can see, is 5. And here see, 7, one leaf is standing alone, 7. And here 9 stands alone, so 9. Here see the topic, all the color leaves are not in pairs. Not in pairs is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These numbers are called odd numbers. These numbers are called odd numbers. Even. E-V-E-N. Even. Even spelling? E-V-E-N. Even. Odd spelling? O-D-D. Odd. Okay. Which all stands in pairs. It's called the even numbers. Which stands alone. It's called the, it will not stand in pairs. It will be stand alone. It's called the odd number. In this we have studied odd number, the pairs and the standing alones. Okay, here one question is given. Hard questions. Arts questions. Okay, this one I have written on the board. Now carefully listen while I am reading itself. I am an even number. I am an even number between 1 and 10. Between 1 and 10. Even number. Keep it in mind, even number. I am less than 4. I am less than 4. In even number, less than 4. Okay, smaller than 4. I am dash. What number am I? Okay, here is the even number I have written on the board. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Even numbers. Less than 4. Which number? Less than 4. Greater than 4, 6. Less than 4, 2. 1 to 10. 1 to 10. Even numbers. 1 to 10. 4, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. It's a less than 4 is 2. Less than 4 is 2. In this page number, you have to write everything. Okay. Next question. See the next question. I am an odd number. I am an odd number between 1 and 10. Between 1 and 10, I am greater than. I am greater than 5. But I am less than 9. Greater than 5, less than 9. Greater than 5, less than 9. Who am I? Here is the odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Got it? Here is a what number? I am an odd number from 1 to 10. Greater than 5. 5 is here. 9 is here. Between what number is there? Greater than 5. Less than 9. What number? 7. Very good. Okay. This everything you have to write it in the page number 7. The leaves also you have to color according to the number. And I also showed in the book how to color. Isn't it? Okay. Now next we'll go to the exercise. Now children, in exercise 1.5. Exercise 1.5, page number 18. In page number 18 it is there. In A1. See, I am reading the topic. Carefully watch. Circle the objects to make pairs. Circle the objects to make a pairs. Then write E for even. E for even. And O for odd. And O for odd number. Now here are the some pictures are given. See the flower bouquets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are there. Now they are asking us to make up pairs. Now we are going to make up pairs means we have to circle 2. 1, 2. Making a pairs. 1, 2. Making a pairs. 1, 2. Making a pairs. Here any flower bouquet is standing alone? No. So all are in pairs. So when all are in pairs, it's called what? Even number. Even number means in short form what they are asking us to write? E. Okay, got it? Next, see the butterflies. In pairs. We are going to circle in pairs. 1, 2. 2 are first you have to circle. 1, 2. Here also, any butterfly stands alone? No. Here 2 pairs. So when it's in a pairs, it's a odd number or even number? Even number. Even number means you are right? E. You are right? E. Next, see some of the umbrellas here. Okay, now first we'll circle in a pairs. 1, 2, 1, 2. Here 1. No? One more umbrella. For this umbrella, no pairs here. See here 2 sets of umbrella, 2 pairs, and one umbrella is standing alone. So this umbrella has no pairs. So what is here? Even number or odd number? It's even number or odd number. When there's a no pairs, it's a odd number. O. See here, O for odd. Understand? Now the balloon. See the balloon. First we'll circle with the pairs. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Here only one stands alone. So here 3 pairs and one balloon, no pairs. So it's a even number or odd number. When it stands in pairs, it's even number. When anyone stands alone, it's a odd number. Odd, short form O. Okay, next one, see. Again pairs 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4 sets. Here stands one set of colors alone. So it's a odd number. It's a odd number. Now next one. 1, 2. You also, while seeing this video, you also take your pencil and take your book and do it like this. Do it like this. So here 1 set, 2 set, 3 set, 4 set. 4 pairs are here. 4 pairs are here, and 1 is standing alone. So it's a odd number. Now children, sorry, here 1 is missing. In your book it's there like this, 2 pairs. Okay. It's also even number. It's even number. It's not a odd number, it's a even number. Sorry. Got it now? Which all are in pairs, it's a even number. Which all are not in pairs, stands alone, it's a odd number. Now got it children? In book now we are going to match some of the exercise. Children, now we have learned this sets. Okay. Now in the same page B1. See, I am reading the topic. Join the correct sets of picture with even. Even number you have to join the correct sets. Here see even number means it has to stand in pairs. Okay. Here 1, 2. It's even number. Join it. Got it? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. It stands in pairs. Correct set. Circle it. Join it. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1 is standing alone. So it's not even number. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Pairs, pairs, pairs. So it's a even number. Okay. Here see 1, 2. And one flower is standing alone. So it's not a even number. This is the even number and this rows is a even number, and here is a even number. These two are odd number. Don't join the lines. Only to the even numbers you have to join the lines. Okay children, now what all you studied, okay, you do it in the book and send me through the WhatsApp in a personal group. Many not at all doing. I don't know why you are not doing and sending. Only few are doing. And next class, in the Zoom class, we learn about the ordinal numbers. Okay children, don't waste your time. Sit and learn. God bless you. Thank you.